Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever stood at a restaurant counter, looked up at the menu, and felt unsure how to order, especially when you don't know exactly how it all works? Today Hannah is stopping at Raising Cane's, the fast-growing American chicken finger restaurant famous for its crispy chicken fingers, its crinkle-cut fries, and its one-of-a-kind cane sauce. The menu is small, the smell is amazing, and it's the perfect place to practice friendly, everyday English. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah uses one gentle phrase to ask for almost anything. I was wondering if. You can use this exact phrase at Raising Cane's, at any restaurant, or really anywhere in America. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's order some chicken fingers with Hannah. Alright. Today Hannah has 3 gentle missions. 1. Order a box combo at the Raising Cane's counter, and figure out the 3 fingers or 4 question 2. Add an order for a friend, and calmly fix a small mix-up when it gets typed in wrong. 3. Grab one more cane sauce for the road at the pickup counter when a menu is new and you're not sure how it works. One soft, polite request can carry you through the whole visit without any stress. By the end of this video, you'll be able to politely order, ask a helper to slow down, fix an order mistake kindly, and pay with confidence, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's step inside Raising Cane's. Here are today's 5 Raising Cane's key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. I was wondering if I could get the box combo? I was wondering if I could get the box combo? This is today's magic phrase. I was wondering if is one of the softest, most polite ways to ask for something in English. It sounds gentle and relaxed, and it gives the other person plenty of room to answer. It's perfect when you're not quite sure how something works yet. Key phrase 2. Sorry, that's not quite right. I ordered the box combo with 3 fingers, not 4. Sorry, that's not quite right. I ordered the box combo with 3 fingers, not 4. A kind, easy way to fix a mistake when your order gets repeated back wrong. Starting with sorry keeps it warm and polite. Key phrase 3. Could you add an extra cane sauce, please? Could you add an extra cane sauce, please? A friendly way to add one small thing to your order. Could you? Is clear and polite. Key phrase 4. Is it okay if I pay with a card here? Is it okay if I pay with a card here? A soft, natural way to check how you can pay before you start. Key phrase 5. Would it be possible to get the lemonade instead of the sweet tea? Would it be possible to get the lemonade instead of the sweet tea? A gentle, respectful way to swap one thing for another. Great job! Now let's watch Hannah use them at Raising Cane's. Hannah steps up to the bright order counter at Raising Cane's, where the menu board glows above and the smell of fresh chicken fills the air. Behind the register is Nolan, a friendly but nervous new Raising Cane's worker in his early 20s, only on his second day, wearing a red Raising Cane's shirt and cap.
Hi. I was wondering if I could get the box combo?
Sure. The box combo. Let me get this right. That comes with chicken fingers, crinkle-cut fries, Texas toast, coleslaw, a cane sauce, and a drink. Do you want 3 fingers or 4?
Oh. What's the difference?
The regular box combo has 3 chicken fingers. Hang on. Hey, is 4 fingers the caniac? Sorry, I'm still learning the menu. 4 fingers is the caniac combo. It's a bit bigger.
3 is perfect for me, thank you.
Great. 3 it is. And which drink? We've got fresh squeezed lemonade or sweet tea.
Would it be possible to get the lemonade instead of the sweet tea?
Of course. Lemonade's my favorite. Okay, One box combo, 3 fingers, crinkle-cut fries, Texas toast, coleslaw, cane sauce, and a lemonade.
That sounds great. Is it okay if I pay with a card here?
Absolutely. Right on the reader. Thanks for being patient with me. It's only my second day at Raising Cane's.
You're doing great. Thank you, Nolan.
Thanks. Your number's 42. We'll call it out. Welcome to Raising Cane's.
Beautifully done, Hannah. She opened with our magic phrase, I was wondering if I could get the box combo? Soft, gentle, and polite. I was wondering if is special because it sounds so relaxed and considerate. It gives the other person plenty of room to answer, and it's perfect when you're not sure exactly how something works. Like the Raising Cane's combos. And Nolan was brand new, so he got a little flustered. But Hannah stayed calm and kind, and never made him feel bad. She even swapped her drink politely with would it be possible to get the lemonade instead of the sweet tea? And checked, is it okay if I pay with a card here? Nice and easy. Hannah steps to the second register to add an order for her friend. Behind it is Marcus. A warm, funny Raising Cane's veteran in his 40s who loves a good joke and keeps the line laughing, wearing a red Raising Cane's shirt and a well-worn cap.
Hi. I was wondering if I could add one more order for my friend?
Course you can. The more the merrier. What are we adding?
Another box combo with 3 chicken fingers. And could you add an extra cane sauce, please?
You got it. Okay, so that's a caniac combo, 4 fingers, no extra sauce.
Oh. Sorry, that's not quite right. I ordered the box combo with 3 fingers, not 4. And I did want that extra cane sauce.
Ha! See, this is why I always read it back. My fingers type faster than my brain thinks. Let me fix that. Box combo, 3 fingers, 1 extra cane sauce. Better?
That's perfect, thank you.
You know, folks around here would fight a small war over that cane sauce. 1 little cup is never enough. Smart of you to grab extra.
I'm learning fast. And a lemonade with this one too, please.
Fresh squeezed lemonade. Excellent taste. Alright, box combo, 3 fingers, extra cane sauce, lemonade. And this time I typed it right.
Thank you so much, Marcus.
Anytime. Order 43, comin' right up. Enjoy Raising Cane's.
Look how kindly Hannah fixed that. Marcus read the order back wrong. A caniac combo with 4 fingers instead of her box combo with 3. Instead of just accepting it, Hannah gently corrected him, sorry, that's not quite right. I ordered the box combo with 3 fingers, not 4. Notice how she started with sorry and kept her voice warm. Correcting an order can feel a little scary, but a soft sorry, that's not quite right, makes it easy and polite. Mistakes happen everywhere. Restaurants, drive-thrus, phone calls. And now you can fix them with a smile. She also used could you add an extra cane sauce, please? A clear, friendly way to add one small thing. Hannah waits at the pickup counter, where boxes of hot chicken fingers slide out one after another. Handing them over is Cole. A quiet, steady Raising Cane's worker in his 30s who says little but works with calm, sure hands, wearing a red Raising Cane's shirt and cap.
Hi. Would it be possible to get one more cane sauce for the road?
Sure.
You make it look so easy.
Do it all day. There.
Thank you. And I was wondering if you sell the cane sauce in a bottle to take home.
We do. Cooler by the door.
Oh, perfect. Is it okay if I grab one on my way out?
Go ahead.
These crinkle-cut fries are so good with the sauce.
That's the idea.
Thank you. You've been so kind.
Enjoy. Come back to Raising Cane's.
Thank you so much, Cole.
Wonderful. Hannah ordered her box combo, fixed a little order mix-up, grabbed extra cane sauce, and swapped in a fresh squeezed lemonade. All with calm, polite English. At the pickup counter she used, would it be possible to get one more cane sauce, and is it okay if I grab one on my way out? Two easy, natural phrases you can use almost anywhere. But the biggest phrase of the day was still our magic one. I was wondering if a gentle request plus a friendly helper equals a smooth, happy visit at Raising Cane's or anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Marcus read Hannah's order back the wrong way. A caniac combo with 4 fingers and no extra sauce. Hannah wanted to fix it politely. What should Hannah say next? A. Wow, that's a lot of chicken. B. Sorry, that's not quite right. I ordered the box combo with 3 fingers and an extra cane sauce. C. Okay, that's fine, thank you. Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 gentle phrases that will help you feel calm and confident anywhere in America. I was wondering if I could get the box combo? Sorry, that's not quite right. I ordered the box combo with 3 fingers, not 4. Could you add an extra cane sauce, please? Is it okay if I pay with a card here? Would it be possible to get the lemonade instead of the sweet tea? With these 5 phrases, even a brand new menu at Raising Cane's starts to feel friendly and easy. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It truly makes my day. And next time is something special. It's our big phrase review 100. Hannah brings back her favorite magic phrases from the whole journey and uses them in fresh new moments, so you can practice them all one more time. See you next time. Bye-bye.